Hello guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how you can create yoga website with WordPress. So if you want to create your attractive websites, then without learning any programming languages like HTML and Java, you can go with this WordPress platform. If you are a health conscious and also want to help people to stay fit, then you can easily make this website from WordPress. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. Before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain, and the second is you need to buy a hosting. So let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser search for the domain racer, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racer and I really love their services because they have very great services. They also have instant support. As you can see, the support chat is here. So you can talk to them directly and you can also directly contact to the salesperson if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. So guys, when you open Domain Racer website, on the top you can see domain is here. So click on this domain and then search for the domain. So talking about the yoga website, I'll search for my yoga and click into this search option. And now as you can see, there are many suggestions coming up. So the first domain which is available here is my-yoga-store.com, and the second is myyogastore.org, and the third one is mypoweryogastore.com. So if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with .com domain because it will show your presence globally and it also helps to rank your website on top. And now once you select this .com domain, you can click into this add to cart. Now you can go to the web hosting, but as I earlier said, I already having hosting with Domain Racer, so I am skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So again, you need to go to the Domain Racer website and then on the top you can see this login option. So click into this login option. You have your credentials to log in. This is the same credential which you have created at the time of the signing of the account with the Domain Racer. So use the same credentials to log into the account, and once you log into your account, you will see the services and products you have got from them. So you can see your active products and services. Once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, here I am directly going to the Cpanel, then we'll enter my ID and the password and click into login option. So now you can see the Cpanel account here. Now once you log into Cpanel account, scroll down it completely down to bottom. And in the software menu, you can see this WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click into this option. Then you can see on my screen WordPress management. Also you can see there different options are coming: install, scan and manage sets. So you can click into this install option. And here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. So on the top you can see here it's asking to choose the version. So always try to choose the latest version. That will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. Now here's it's coming for the site name. The site name would be your website name. That means your domain name that will represent your website. So it was my yoga. And now coming back to site description. So for example, I'm taking it as, hey, this is my yoga site. Now also you can see there's ID and password coming, so you can change it according to your need. So I'm keeping it as admin and admin. And now I'll select the language from here, that is English. You can also choose according to your need and comfort. And now talking about this is the last part we have to do is select the theme. So firstly click into show all themes, and here you can see there are different themes coming up. So it was about yoga website, so I'll search for yoga, and as you can see there's match found for yoga, so click into this yoga. Also, if you want to see the demo, you can click into this demo option. So guys, I'm gonna to select this theme only and then click into install option. So guys, as you can see, it's installing now. So it might take some time. You can see this. It may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can read it from here. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandatory part. You cannot skip this part. So we will wait some few minutes more. Now, after completing the second part, you can move to the last part, how you can customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. So guys, now you are done with the installing part, and you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And now you have given 2 different links. So when you click into first link, you can able to see how your website will look like. And now coming back to second link, that is administrative URL, from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, so talking about the role of the dashboard, let me tell you, this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here or you can change the theme completely. You can also enhance your content with blocks and patterns. You can do the changes from the left side also. Like if you want to add new posts, then you can click into this post option. If you want to add any media file, then you can do it from here. Also, if you want to manage your comment section, then you can do it from here. If you want to add any other plugin, then you can do it from here. Also, you can see there are many tools which are available. So guys, moving back to the website, you can see at the top My Yoga. If you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at the time of installation. And now in the heading, you can see, hey, this is my yoga site. And if you remember, it was the description I have given at the time of the installation. So these all are the demo photos. So guys, you also can change it. You just need to go back to the dashboard, and here you can see this option, start customizing. So click onto this option, and from here you can do all the changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make any changes to the header, footer, template pages, then you can click into this and you can go to header. As you can see, it's preparing the interface, and now from here you can change anything, like also add new section and add new row. Now coming back, if you want to add a new template or change any of the templates, then you can click into this. As you can see, it's preparing interface for the same, and now you can be able to change the template according to your need. Also, if you want to make any change to your home page, then click into this home page, as it's preparing interface for the home page. And now you can be able to do any of the changes to your home page by scrolling down it completely. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own yoga website through WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro.